Alright, y'all. We finally in the fucking home. So let me turn the camera on. Because it don't make sense if I'm looking at it and y'all not. So. Oh, sorry. This is the entrance. We're going to come right here. Hi. So right here is one room. We have closet, a balcony, and in here it smells so good in here. And then in here we have the bathroom. I don't have a tripod. And this is the shower. Ooh, it's super cute. Next, let's go to the next room. It must be. Then we have another bathroom out here. Oh my god, super cute, super cute, super cute, super cute. I'm ready for pictures, bitches. The affordable cleaners here. It has cute decorations. This is a toilet. It smells super, super good. Alright, this is the living room. It's super, super cute. We're gonna save the outside last. Wait, bitch, I need you to introduce the kitchen. What that is, man? This is the laundry room. And we have another one right here. It has a bathroom. Ooh, super, super, super cute in here too. It has the touch. Oh, this just come on. Yes, so this is the shower. Super cute. Now let's go to the. This is upstairs. We're gonna go to the kitchen first. All right, we're in the kitchen now. This is super cute. I like how I have the glass right here. Flat top stove, super cute. Marble counters, and this is the outside. The kitchen, dining area. I'm gonna save that outside for later. Let's go upstairs.
Oh, really?
All right, this is what the top looks like.
They got a fucking hurricane out.
Ooh, it's cute. What are the kings? Ooh, this is the king, one of the kings. Let's look at the bathroom. So this is the king bathroom. It comes with this kind of tub, this shower, and this long mirror. Super cute, super cute. It has a balcony on the outside. It ain't like no pretty view or whatever. Here's another room. I'm coming vlog. What's the next one? And then they have the outside right here. Here's the camera. It's the tub. Excuse me. You say all the bathroom, and this is the second room. With a little small bathroom in here. That's that. It has a balcony as well that connects to the other balcony. You can definitely look downstairs. I will hope not to drop my camera. Now we gotta check out downstairs. All right.
Look what I saw downstairs. Oh, like I think it's on. Here's the picture. I'm gonna see what
All right. Oh, it's time to be lit. God damn, I'm lit. All right, now, last but not least, to the outside we go. I have to show you the outside. I'm sure that's gonna be super, super cute for you guys. I keep saying that, super, super cute. And here's the
I'm putting
outside.
out this bitch like I'm fucking
Girl, I got the tripod. I'm ready for these pictures.
I just want to pack it up and bring it to
I forgot my tripod.
Oh no, baby, I brought mine. And
Jalil has mine. I told her. And then when we were on the plane, I was like,
this time my pictures in my bathing suit gonna be like this. With the sucked in. And that would be. But y'all, we made it. This is everything. The pool.
our personal pool boy.
The pool. This. What's up, pool boy?
What's hell with it?
He's got the tight ass and the good quads.
Oh wow. Pool kind of dirty though, y'all. Just got a few leaves in it. That's
I wonder
all.
if you gotta plug that thing in though. Cause I guess that's like a cleaner, huh? I don't want to be messing with nobody.
And they light up at night too.
What the hell was that?
They got speakers out here.
The refrigerator.
Yeah, look, speakers right here.
No, that's cameras.
There's not speakers up there?
Oh, up there.
Yeah.
It might be.
So that means no skinny dipping, guys.
He said no loud music after 9. He said
okay.
it's like 100% like residential. They only have like 3 Airbnbs
I mean, we
in here.
can respect that.
I can respect 9 o'clock.
I wouldn't want somebody to respect me. Fuck.
Oh shit, I thought 9 o'clock prop. Oh, it cut up. 9 o'clock prop.
All right, y'all.
Tell me where
Make
you
sure
bought
nobody,
it from.
make sure nobody's skinny dipping, cause baby, you're gonna be all on candy camera.
Well,
If you do plan to skinny dip, just send a group text. Just
Oh
send
yeah,
a
it's gonna be
text
like 13
Oh,
cameras.
I'm a skinny dip.
and just
I'm a
say.
skinny dip.
Oh
And
my God, that would be fun.
It's gonna be like 13 cameras.
I'm not even on skinny dip because my bed is. Okay, we need skinny different sections. Y'all go from 9 to 10. Make sure we go from 10 to 11. We're gonna do it in sections, bitch.
No, we're gonna go from.
They said it's a hurricane coming.
That's a lot. Wait, what?
He was just being.
Oh,
This is beautiful. Like I cannot.
oh bitch, the pictures gonna be on deck.
I'm trying to see, should we eat breakfast out here or out there?
Right here at this long table.
here.
That's what I feel like.
Definitely.
Alright, so we done came here. Now we go to Benihana's later on. I'm about to put the camera down because it's time for me to drink again.
Yeah.